Hey guys, it's Marielle here, mom and a girl with plans, and I have something so exciting to share with you guys. I just got it in, and you guys, it's taking everything in me not to open it up, but I wanted to film a video so I could share it with you. The Newbie Happy Box! You guys, this one is going to be amazing. Let's check it out. Okay, here it is. And this sticker, Bloom with Grace, tells you everything you need to know. Florals and black and white. I am so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. It says beauty in simplicity. So pretty. Alrighty, little bloom box. Happy things inside. That's so pretty. Now let's check it out. Okay. It says keep blooming. In this box you'll find our favorite florals, discs, and stickers to dress up any occasion. So we've got the sticker storage box, yes. 2 30-sheet sticker pads, a tiny sticker pad, and the big one, 11 metal black discs. Yes! I mean, we have been waiting for this for how long? I love it. This is so perfect. So let's check out what we've got in here. Alrighty. We've got the tiny sticker pad. Oh my gosh. The functional sticker book. And then the floral sticker book. Oh, this is so pretty. I cannot wait to dig into these. Okay, and then the thing we have been waiting for, the black metal disc. I mean, this alone is worth the whole box. I mean, this is like the one piece everybody's been asking for. It's so perfect. And then underneath, we have, I mean, how pretty is this? This sticker box, this one's gonna be my favorite. I might need extra of this one. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. All right, let's check out those stickers. Alrighty, let's start with the little tiny sticker pad. I love these with the lines, you can write in them. Okay, this one is Bloom from Within. It's got really pretty gold foil. Okay, I know this is so plain, but I love these stripes. Oh my gosh, those are probably like my favorite. Grow where you're planted. Bloom with Grace. It's really pretty. Grow through what you go through. Seriously, I just really like these boxes too. Grow your own way. And oh my gosh, this is going to go with, you know, my favorite box. Keep growing. Find your roots, but reach for the sky. A really pretty foil. Bloom. Gosh, those flowers are just so pretty. And I love these double box ones. Happiness blooms from within. Grow through what you go through. It's okay to grow slow. Did I skip one? Oh, no, I didn't. Good. Plant your dreams. Look at this one. Let's root for each other and watch each other grow. So pretty. Plant dreams, pull weeds, and grow a happy life. So cute. And the last one. Let me get that in here. Be present in all things and keep growing. Oh, wait, no, I was wrong. One more. So pretty. All right, let's check out the big sticker books. All right, let's start with the florals, everybody's favorite. Okay, look for beauty. These are so pretty. Ugh. The line drawing gold foil. And this one's my favorite. the black and white line drawing. Ooh, happiness blooms from within. Keep growing. You got this. Noted. Ooh, I love those. They're just so simple and just so pretty. Flowers need time to bloom, so do you. So pretty. Always be kind. Grow. Find what makes your heart smile. Bring on the sunshine. Oh look, a stripe. That's gonna go with my favorite sticker. Oh my gosh, more. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, and these are some clear foil ones. Headers. To do today and plan with the really pretty florals on them. Ooh, I like these boxes. You know, I like that one. More foil boxes. Okay, these are smaller floral line drawings in gold and also in the black. I just love the black. I think that's probably my favorite. All right, some check boxes. Nice, functional, but still pretty. A little more pretty gold foil. Oh, I love these. Some washi tape. Keep blooming. Bloom with grace, be present, grow your own way. Ooh, this one's really pretty, this double box with lines. More pretty florals. Ooh, the black florals. And then we've got some black headers with clear stickers. These are great for your monthly because it doesn't cover the dates, but I also like to use them in my regular spread. And you can put like one of these over the corner. Layer it, super pretty. Ooh, those are really neat. I love the different shapes with the florals. Appointment, day off, and due today. Oh, layered boxes. Oh, these are really cool. More of that. Be patient with yourself. Nothing in nature blooms all year. So true. This is really neat. Just the opposite, black and white. Oh, I love the floral decorative ones. Oh, these are really neat. Focus. And these long boxes, those are great for lists. Ooh, more pretty florals and some more long line boxes. Awesome. Okay, let's check out the functional. Alrighty, now we've got the functional. I mean, black functional you cannot go wrong with. So we've got the boxes, kind of colorful boxes. We've got our checklist and our smiley faces. Check boxes and more pretty boxes. And we've got some gold. Dream big, must do, be brave, get done, keep going. Work it, you rock. These are great. Today, to do. These also go great in the monthly. Ooh, I like these circles a lot. These are really cool. And I love them with the lines. So I don't write crooked. These are neat. Ooh, the hexagons with the icons in them are super cute. I haven't seen those before. Those are really cool. And hearts. Get it done and notes. These are great. And all the little keywords. Ooh, the done. I gotta put those all over my planner so I'll feel like I've accomplished things. Remember important today. These are great. Nice boxes. Oh, make myself proud. These are cool. It kind of looks like confetti. And then in the black, all the functional words. To do, call, be here, send. Note to self. Some more functional boxes. Ooh, this is really pretty. Look at those florals. Oh, these are neat. These are on clear. These are really cool with the like gold splatter on them. That's a neat shape. I haven't seen that one before. That's really cool. Living my best life. Payday. Oh, these are neat. They're on clear. Shopping and meal prep. Chore day, laundry. I guess if you have to do laundry, you know, at least you've got a cute sticker, right? To do today, appointment and busy. And then in the gold version. Oh, these are pretty monthly. the gold foil. Important. Never forget your own worth. Oh, I love that one. Work hard and be kind. Oh, these are cool. We've got a lot of functional words. Noted, focus, to do, love this, today, now, goal, later, happy, so busy, plans, party. Those are cool. And then the icons. I always love these. These are so pretty. All right. I'm so excited about everything in this box, and I really think it will all be stuff that's used. I mean, the black and the gold is just so classic and functional and just so pretty. In its simplicity, it's just so perfect. So I am so excited. I'm probably gonna need like 3 of these boxes for my stickers because I love it. And I mean, the black discs alone are enough to make me need this box. So excited about this. So be sure to grab yours because I have a feeling this one will be gone fast. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun planner videos, tutorials, and who knows what else. I'm really excited to have my new channel and can't wait to share more with you. Thanks, see you later.